What is up, everybody? How you doing today? My name is David DeFranco and welcome back to my gaming channel. It's been a little while since I've unboxed a new accessory for my PlayStation 5. Now, gotta be honest, I don't play my PS5 that much. It honestly just sits downstairs collecting dust. It's not because I hate it, I just don't use it a lot because, well, primarily, the biggest reason is because I'm up here. I mean, if I'm gaming, I'm usually up here. And yes, I do plan on buying a second PS5 eventually. Yes, specifically for this gaming channel and my live streams. And yeah, I get it. You're probably gonna say, well, David, why don't you just move the PS5 from downstairs up to here? That would make too much sense. Plus, I'm stubborn. I like knowing I have a PS5 downstairs just in case I do want to play downstairs. And plus, that one does not have the optical drive. And well, I wouldn't mind getting the optical drive version for up here because there's actually a lot of cheap, or affordable, I should say. There's a lot of affordable, older PS5 games that you can buy for like $20, $30 on eBay. And I wouldn't mind playing those games on this gaming channel. So yeah, in other words, great console, but I'm not crazy about spending like $60 to $70 on brand new games. I mean, as a PC gamer and as a huge Xbox fan who is always getting, quote unquote games for free with Xbox Game Pass, I don't know. It's really hard to pull me away from my Xbox or my PC. So there you go. I don't hate my PS5. I'm just pacing myself. And eventually, yes, I will use it a lot. I promise you. But until then, something inside of me tells me to keep buying the DualSense controllers, despite not playing the console a lot. Like, there's something about the DualSense. I just think it's a beautiful controller. So I figured I would treat myself to this. This is the DualSense in Nova Pink. But before I open this controller, I want to show you guys all three DualSense controllers that I bought myself. Actually, one of them was a gift before opening the Nova Pink. So this is the default white and black controller that we should all know by now. This is the one that comes with the PS5. And I gotta say, it looks off-white right now because of my lighting. There you go. That's a little better for you guys. Excellent looking controller. In my opinion, it could be a little more comfortable down here, and I've been meaning to make a video about that. I'm just kind of nervous to make a video because I don't want people to get the wrong idea in saying that I'm an Xbox fanboy and that I hate PlayStation. But I do think the DualSense has a serious comfort issue. I wish down here would be rounded like the DualShock controllers were. Why Sony went this route, I have no idea. But for me personally, gaming for long periods of time, this part of the controller, like, quite literally digs into my hand, and I have, like, hand cramps afterwards. And yeah, I realize we all have different hands, we all have different comfort issues and whatever, so maybe my issues don't apply to you. But anyway, I just wanted to throw that out there. So should I make a video about that? Let me know in the comment section. This one I bought myself right around Christmas time. This is the Cosmic Red. This is my favorite DualSense to date. This is just absolutely beautiful. I love the red and black contrast, and actually it's kind of more of a pinkish red, and I think this is called Cosmic Red. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's called Cosmic Red. This one was a gift from a viewer. Thank you again. You know who you are. This is I think Sony calls it Galactic Purple. Purple and black contrast really well. It's more of a blue purple, but it's really, really nice. I love this controller. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. So I figured, why not treat myself to this? And there's Zero right on cue. Every time I make a video, I think he knows I'm recording. So he's like, I have to come up here and disturb David's peace. Hey, he's a good cat. I love him. I love you, Z. You're a good boy. You're a good key. All right, just sit there. Just sit there. Anyway, I see this all the time at Target, and I've been wanting to treat myself. But shout out to my parents. Yes, I'm in my 30s. But I still get gifts for Easter. We all do. We're just a very traditional family. Anyway, my mom gave me a $25 Amazon gift card. So I figured, you know what? Why not knock $25 off this purchase? So with tax, this cost me like, I think $52, $55, something like that. So that's the only reason I justified paying, full price. I didn't really pay full price because of the gift card. So here we go. Nova Pink. I will say the seal right there, and you see that? It's not a perfect seal, which makes me a little nervous. I bought this from a third-party seller on Amazon. And actually, I had to wait for this to come in stock for a couple days because I checked, I think, Monday or Tuesday, and it was out of stock. And then I checked, I think, yesterday, Thursday, and it's finally said in stock, brand new through Prime. And it came today. 24-hour shipping. You got to love it, guys. So hopefully this is new. And if it's not, then I'm going to send it back, I mean, as an eBay seller, I take a lot of pride in giving customers exactly what they expect. All right, so here we go. This should be brand new. And I realize I don't have to make an unboxing video for a controller, guys. This thing's been out for months now. But you know me, I love unboxings, and it's an excuse to make another video for this channel. Okay, I do recall the Cosmic Red, or no, the purple controller unboxing kind of pissing me off. Like, this is really freaking tight, and I don't want to break the box just in case I need to send this back to Amazon. So give me 1 second. I need to figure out how to do this without destroying my microphone.
One eternity later.
All right, I got it. Sony, these boxes are so freaking tight. Not a bad thing, just kind of frustrating for people who want to make unboxing videos. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if it's brand new. Please be brand new. Otherwise, it's going right back in the packaging, and I can drop it off at Kohl's. Because Kohl's is amazing with Amazon returns, in case you didn't know. Okay. The thing is here. It's in. Okay. Yep, it looks brand new. I don't see anything wrong with it. Oh, no, oh my God. Like, sorry, I'm so focused on whether the fact that it's brand new, but wow. Look at that pink, guys. Holy shit. That is beautiful. My God. That looks really freaking good. Now, I appreciate the fact that this is a gift, but I gotta be honest, guys. Like, the pink might be my favorite. This is incredible. Sony, well done. Very, very well done. And if you're curious about the comparisons, let's bust out the other colors and see how they look. So, there you go. White or pink? Let me know in the comments. Purple or pink? Not bad, guys. Getting a little fur on there already. And finally, red, which was my favorite before the pink, but this might be my new favorite. These are actually kind of close in color. If the camera wants to focus, there you go. So we got pink over here and red over here. Not bad, but yo, guys. I am just so thankful to have all of these colors in my possession. Also, let me just make this clear. This is not just a PlayStation thing with me. Like, I'm a big Xbox gamer. I've been playing a lot of Halo Infinite downstairs, guys. I love that game so much. But the thing is, I have, I think 4 Xbox controllers down there on my controller stand. And actually, if you're curious, I will throw up the, video of my controller stand review at the end of this video on my end card. So, yeah, click that if you want to see my review of that. Excellent product. I love them. And actually, I love them so much, I bought 2 of them. Anyway, guys, I have 4 Xbox controllers sitting on that stand, but I only use, like, 1 of them regularly. Maybe 2 here and there. So, yeah, I'm just kind of trying to make myself feel better, I guess, because there is no real reason for me to own 4 controllers for each console when it's just me in this house. But I think Dawn, shout out to Dawn, I'm pretty sure you commented as well, saying you have 4 or 5 controllers as well, maybe 6. So it's not just me. People love buying controllers, and me being a big person on color, hence why I painted my room dark gray, love it so much. I figured why not add this to my collection. And plus, soon enough I will be getting a second PS5, guys. So maybe I'll permanently keep a couple controllers up here eventually. When that happens, I'm just waiting for that opportunity to present itself. Anyway, guys, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. What is your favorite color out of today? White? Red? Purple? Or pink? Oh my God, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful, beautiful controller. And let's see what it looks like when it lights up. There you go. Got that nice blue flashing light because it's obviously not synced yet. There you go again with the cat fur. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you soon. Peace.